Hi, we're going to be talking about two very important sounds today. You will notice I'm holding the card for the letter S and the letter J. However, we aren't talking about the letter S or the letter J. We're talking about soft C and G. Look closely at our letter cards for S and J. I have circled in red some very important patterns. Let's look at the letter card S first. You will notice I have circled the letters CE and CI. The letter C has two sounds. It can make the sound K or S. When C says S, it is usually followed by an I, E, or Y. We call this the soft C sound. The hard sound K is when we use the C in the word like cat, but the soft sound S of C is in words like ice. Do you see how the letter C was followed by the letter E? That means the letter C is going to say its soft sound, which makes the sound like the letter S. S. But it really is a C. It's the C making the soft sound. Now, let's take a look at the letter J card. You'll notice I circled GE and GI. The letter G also has two sounds. It can say G or J. G will say J when it's followed by I, E, or Y. We call this the soft G sound. You can hear this sound in the word cage. Notice the G is followed by E, so it doesn't make the hard sound G. Instead, it makes the soft sound J. Even though it makes that sound like a J, it's still spelled with the letter G. We're going to practice this week, both soft C and soft G. Let's try blending some words today. Remember, if C or G are followed by I, E, or Y, they're going to make their soft sounds S or J. Here we go. I'm going to put letters up on the screen. I want you to say the letter sound. When we have all the sounds, we'll blend and then we will read the word. Sound A. I hope you said A. Remember, when we have a vowel with a silent super E, that silent super E will help that vowel say its long vowel sound, which is its name, A. Sound S. I hope you made the soft C sound because C in this word is followed by an E, I, or Y. It's E. So let's blend these sounds. Ace. Read the word ace. Good job. Let's try another one. Sound. Sound. I. Remember, silent super E will make that I say I. Sound. That's right, it's the soft C sound. S. Let's blend those sounds. Mice. Read the word. Mice. Sound. S. Sound. O. Sound. I. Sound. S. Good job remembering the soft C sound. Let's blend all those sounds together. Slice. Read slice. Remember, when C or G is followed by E, I, or Y, it will make its soft sound. The soft sound for C is S, the same sound you hear with the letter S. Sound T. Sound Sound A. Sound S. Blend our sounds. Trace. Read trace. Sound Sound A. This is tricky. Sometimes A on its own can say A. You may have said the sound ah, and that's okay. As I add more letters, you'll realize that this letter is going to say its long vowel sound just standing on its own. A sound, sound. J. I hope you said J. Remember, G will make its soft sound followed by an E, I, or Y. Let's blend all of those sounds together. Range, read, range. Sound, W. Sound, A. Sound, that's right, it's the soft G sound, J. Let's blend those sounds. Wage, read, wage. Sound, B. Sound, sound, O. Sound, J. Soft G sound. Let's blend all those sounds. Bulge, read, bulge. Sound, sound, U. Sound, J. Blend the sounds. Huge, read, huge. Remember, C and G will make their soft sounds when followed by E, I, or Y. The soft sound for G is J. Let's take a look at some sentences. Let's read them together. Here we go. The mice ran in the cage. Let's read it again. The mice ran in the cage. Last time. The mice ran in the cage. Good reading. I want you to take another look at this sentence. Can you point to the word that has the soft C sound? S. Let me give you a hint. Remember, in order for C to make its soft sound, it must be followed by an E, I, or Y. Look closely. If you are pointing to the word mice, you're correct. Mice has the soft C sound S because that C is followed by the letter E. Now, look at our sentence again. Can you find a word with the soft G sound? J. If you're pointing to the word cage, you got it. G is followed by E in the word cage. It makes the soft G sound J. The mice ran in the cage. Let's take a look at another sentence. Let's read it together. We dance at a fast pace. Again, we dance at a fast pace. One more time. We dance at a fast pace. Good reading. Let's take a closer look at the words in this sentence. There are two words that have a soft C sound. Can you point to the first word that contains the soft C sound? You should be pointing at the word dance. The C in dance makes a soft sound S because it's followed by the letter E. There's one more word in this sentence with the soft C sound. Point to that word. If you're pointing to the word pace, you're correct. The letter C in the word pace makes the soft C sound S because it's followed by the letter E. There are no words in this sentence with the soft G sound. Let's take a look at this sentence and read it together. This space is huge. You may have noticed that exclamation mark. That means we say the sentence with a lot of expression. Let's read it again. This space is huge. One more time. This space is huge. Good reading. Now, can you point to a word with the soft C sound? If you're pointing to the word space, you're correct. C in the word space makes the soft sound S because it's followed by an E. Can you see a word in this sentence with the soft G sound? Remember, G makes a soft sound when it's followed by an E, I, or Y. Hopefully, you're pointing to the word huge. The word huge has the letter G that makes the soft G sound because it's followed by E, huge. Good work today. Head back to Seesaw. We have some more activities with hard and soft G.